Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. High above the city of Kamloops, Upper Sahali is a modern residential neighborhood that offers expansive views of the Thompson Valley and the surrounding hills. Known for its quiet streets and suburban feel, the area reflects the steady growth of Kamloops as it expanded beyond its original downtown core into the surrounding uplands. Today, Upper Sahali stands as one of the city's more established hillside communities, shaped by both geography and decades of development. The name Sahali comes from the Chinook jargon word meaning up or above, a fitting description for a neighborhood set high above the valley floor. The development of Upper Sahali came during the late 20th century as the city grew and the demand for housing increased. Advances in infrastructure made it possible to build on the hillsides, turning what was once open terrain into a network of residential streets, schools, and community spaces. The area's elevation not only provided scenic views, but also helped define its identity as a quieter, family-oriented part of the city. Upper Sahali is also shaped by the semi-arid climate typical of Kamloops, with warm, dry summers and relatively mild winters. The surrounding landscape features grasslands, scattered trees, and open skies, offering easy access to walking trails and outdoor recreation. This natural setting continues to influence daily life, blending urban convenience with a strong connection to the outdoors. Long before modern development, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The surrounding hills and valleys provided hunting grounds and travel routes, while the nearby rivers supported fishing and trade. The arrival of European fur traders in the early 19th century, including those working for the Hudson's Bay Company, marked the beginning of major changes to the region's way of life. Kamloops itself began to take shape in the early 1800s as a trading post and transportation hub thanks to its strategic location at the confluence of the North and South Thompson Rivers. By the late 1800s, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed the area into a key link between the coast and the interior. This period of growth laid the foundation for the city that would eventually expand into surrounding hillsides. Thank you for joining us on the drive in Kamloops, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.